You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Murano. This sporty Murano was designed with your lifestyle in mind. From its generous cargo space to its silky smooth ride to its advanced safety and infotainment tech, this deluxe midsize crossover infuses every journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, adaptive cruise control, premium sound system, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated rear seat, keyless start. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.